So here we are again with the 2003 F-150. When we last spoke, the head gasket was leaking, and I arrived at that conclusion because it misses on cylinder number 1 pretty consistently. Final nail in the coffin for me was I pulled the plug out, pulled the coil, so no coil, no pack, disconnected the fuel injector so it would not run or not, engage or whatever. Started the truck cold, and then a big cloud of stuff come out of there, like coolant. So I got me a shop crane, aka cherry picker as we call it here in the South. I'm gonna try to hope, my goal is to pull the motor and pull the heads off, change the head gaskets, change it, other gaskets as I run across them. So here we are, just got started, pulled the radiator cover off, got the radiator draining. Just wanted to kind of get a glimpse of the coolant, what it looks like. It's kind of black down in there. So I do know this stuff pretty much shot my drain because it's coming out of the threads. It's supposed to be draining from here, not here. Not the drain hole, and what does come out of the drain hole just is a trickle, so the radiator may be clogged thanks to the block seal stuff that I use. So here's what I've gotten off so far. The intake tube and the upper radiator hose, got the coolant draining, and got the radiator plastic shroud off. Kind of hit a stopping point right now because I don't have the right size wrench to take off the fan. I think it's like bigger than an inch and a quarter, or something like that. Left hand thread. Anyway, I'm gonna go find one. See you guys